What's up, guys? Merry Christmas, first and foremost. By the time I upload this video, it'll probably be the day after. But right now, it is Christmas Eve. And as usual, I am doing things last minute. It's okay if you guys see what I'm wrapping because by the time I edit and upload this video, Christmas will have already passed anyway. Hey, what are you doing? The kid's awake. Want to see his new trick? Well, not really a new trick, but it's a new command. Grab his treats. All right, go on. Okay. Oh no, he just stepped on the tablet. Go on this side. All right, check it, check it. Go on, jump. No, that was so lazy. Go on, jump. Yeah. What the heck? Jump. Yeah. All right, this is a big one. All right, dude. Jump. Mount. Yeah. Go. That's enough for you. I gotta wrap these up. Go on, I gotta wrap these up. All right. What am I giving who to what? Oh no, he sees the present. Here's the card I got for the neighbors. This card is to say thanks. The puppy is just there to get your attention. It's perfect. Honestly, they actually save me so much time by walking Gohan sometimes. And I mean, I walk him every single morning, so I myself get my personal exercise. I'm selfish like that. But also, the plan is always to make this guy just super tired. Like the way he sits. What? Oh, he wants more food. Last. Okay, okay. I gotta seal this bag so he stops smelling it. There we go. From you. Hello. And then I'll make it look like I'm only giving him 40 bucks. Don't you think about it, dude. Gohan, don't. Woohoo! Gohan. I need that. I need that. Hey, give me that. What the? Go on! From children plus Gohan and Joda. Alright, we good. Got presents for my family and even the dogs. Gonna bundle up and then I'm just gonna walk over there because you know what? The streets are actually really bad. Just like the inner cul-de-sacs. There's so much snow from the other day still. And lots of cars got stuck. So I'm not even gonna attempt to go there. Like especially my parents' location. Like I'll bring you guys with. I'm just gonna walk over there. It's only like a 10-minute walk down the hill anyway. But first, we're gonna give this to our neighbors. Adventure time. Hi, Cindy and Rob. Oh, I hope my neighbors don't find it weird that I'm coming so late. Yo, this is our only Christmas decoration. Those blue and green lights. Right on. Let's go this way. Come on, let's go. What the hell? What the? He's off his leash. Oh, I hope it's not too late. Okay, cool. Let's go, Gohan. I think they're asleep. Come on, homie. Oh, he wants to go for a walk with them. Come on, say Merry Christmas. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Papa.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell.
ravine. This is it, guys. My Christmas Eve. How's yours? I guess I can start by apologizing for not sticking to my word and doing the daily Vlogmas thing. It gets hard, okay? It's possible to be filming every single day of your life, but man, I was close to burning out and I just didn't want to do that. Like, I needed to sleep. There's some days where I'm like, man, should I just crush this video edit and stay up till like 3, 4 a.m. But no, sometimes it's not worth it. These ice banks, man. So much snow. So we're almost there, guys. Just wanted to show you how pretty the street leading down to my parents' house was. I can release him from here, he'll know what house it is. Go on, come on. Get out, get out. Oh, camera's fogging up. Hi, Jenny. Getting gifts.
I need to go on. Go on.
I got gifts. I got gifts.
Go on.
Gifts. Oh, it's been a minute since I've had some legit home-cooked meal. Wow. This is a legitimate Filipino spread. This deserves a high-quality B-roll.
I've been chasing dreams, I need to slow down. I've been thinking what is gonna come round. I just never know what to expect now.
He's sad he hasn't said hi to Gohan yet. Oh my goodness. What?
When was the last time Gohan saw another dog?
I mean it.
Can you hug Jonas so I can say hi to Jonas?
What the heck?
No.
What? A jambon.
Jambon.
It's like a
Dang.
Flintstones.
Nakanggal yung may marunong plato na dyan.
Christmas with the cranks. Yo, I wonder how long Jonah will stay out there.
It's so tall for him, so that's why he doesn't. He's kind of scared because he just.
Dang.
Go on, come here.
Gohan! Gohan! Gohan, baby! Ay, baby! Ay, naku, basa sila!
Yeah, we gotta...
Anak, basa sila, oh! Pick up, Jonah! Anak ko, basang-basa na yung bahay natin, oh! Basahin ko eh.
Go on.
Go get the wipes.
Go on.
Why are you in a onesie?
Gohan! I miss you, babe! 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 I miss you, babe! May touchy yung puwet mo!
Be embarrassed.
Gohan!
Gojin.
Jappy?
Gojin, come here.
Yung... Ano, yung...
Joni. Hi, Joni.
Hi.
I'm scared of this one. Where do I begin? Hey, what do you... Can't open presents yet, Gohan.
Gohan! Gohan!
Joni.
Johnny! Hello, Johnny!
Can we go downstairs? Alright. It's been a minute since we've been in the old studio. If you guys didn't know, this basement is where it all started. So, come downstairs. Still got a few of my artwork up on the walls. And then, into my room. Damn! Alright. You gotta shine this light up this way towards the wall. Yes. Go on, your friend doesn't always have to come. Here it is, guys. Welcome to my old room. Damn! This is such a tiny square. What the? Go on! Behind the door, I got some rare hats. Like this Jollibee's hat with their old logo. You guys can already tell, this cherry blossom I referenced off an Arizona iced tea can. Video games. This is where I had that 32-inch TV mounted. I bought that thing for 700 bucks, okay? Like around 5-6 years ago when TVs were really expensive. A 32-inch LCD was around $700. Now you can find one for like 50 bucks on Facebook Marketplace. But my old cell phone collection. Got the LG chocolate, which was like the first of its kind. A phone that slid up. And then I got this, which was a Samsung phone. And this was before the LG chocolate, but this was actually one of the first phones that allowed you to watch TV on it. Pretty revolutionary stuff by Samsung. Alright, Gohan, want to show us the rest of this place? In this hallway, so you got the Cheshire drawing. This is one of the drawings that one of my teachers tried to make me erase completely. I'm like, dude, the idea was to draw for 2 hours straight, and then he didn't even tell us what we were supposed to do afterwards, but then after we came back from lunch, he told us to erase what we just drew. I guess the main idea, what he was trying to get across, was never get too attached to your own creations. But I couldn't get rid of this. So I actually recreated it really quickly in like 15-20 minutes, and then I erased that one instead. Then you come through the hallway. Right here, we got a Lana Del Rey portrait, which I painted. And this was around the time The Great Gatsby came out. That starred Leonardo DiCaprio. I don't know why, but I just fell in love with her song in that. So I painted her. Over here, got a couple more paintings. Now, this painting is basically the embodiment of who I am as a human being. So you got art, you got superheroes, you got dragons, you got cars, you got spiky Asian dude wearing Gucci and Burberry and a blazer with Converses. That was my exact style in high school. Over here, you got a painting of a chimera. Underneath the stairs was kind of my art nook. So, a few toys, just more art, really. This painting was kind of like a throwaway, but I ended up using this for one of our first decal designs ever. And here's a secret. It says KMR right there. Nemo. Oh, no way. This is the original Scyther in a scissor onesie. Damn. And then over here is my old studio. This is actually where all the magic happened. One of these days, when I do end up moving into my own place, I am gonna do an updated, like, I don't know, video of my collection. Because I like to collect a lot of stuff. I wouldn't call myself a hoarder per se, but I just like to collect really cool things. And then being in this old studio, I'm just like reminded of exactly how much stuff I actually have for one person. It's like a pack rat. This is actually my dad's crazy computer setup. And now my dad works in this studio. Books and some of my favorite mangas and novels. The Stuff of Legend. This is such a good graphic novel. The Stuff of Legend. I think The Rock was planning on doing a real life adaptation of this. And if he does, that would be amazing. Series of unfortunate events. I was like super into this series. Triple X-holic. A couple of art books. This one's pretty cool. Crash Bandicoot art book. Oh yeah. 1,000 Years of Manga. Kingdom Hearts. Go home. What do you think, bro? It still almost looks like I never left it. So I actually did a full house tour or full studio tour a few years back, and it is on my It's Birdie YouTube channel. So if you guys want to check it out, click that link up there. But I'll give you guys a few seconds if you want to actually check it out. But for now, this is just a small little walkthrough of my old art studio, aka my parents' basement. And then over here, just a couple more paintings, but this is basically my dad's man cave. This is where he chills out, has his drinks and watches TV and movies. And yeah, just a couple more paintings. This is an unfinished one that I was working in collaboration with my friend with. And then that one is actually probably one of my most prized paintings ever, because it is the first acrylic painting that I actually really spent my time on. And I think it took about 16 hours. Now I could have went way more detailed on this. Oh man, what a crazy idea. Pencil is sleeping with the scissors, and of course the bedroom's main color is green. This was before green became my favorite color. But I was always into superheroes, as you can see, and painting and beautiful sceneries. That thing was created in 2007. Wow. Okay, yeah. Well guys, I think I'm just gonna end this video. I mean, for the rest of the night, I'm probably gonna sleep here for the night. Save me a trip, and tomorrow is Christmas Day anyway, so rather just spend it with family. And it's nice to be home for the holidays. Gonna sleep early so that Santa comes by. Look who's come to join me. Hi, Joni. Hi. Hi, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah. Joni. This one's cool. It's so crazy to be back in my old studio. I mean, I guess I can always come back here anytime, but just brings back so many memories. This was actually the first hyperbolic time chamber in my life. And this is where I would lock myself, either play video games with my friends, or just work on myself, make music and draw. What? Why? I think I'm just gonna call it a night, spend some quality time with the family. I mean, nowadays it's kind of rare for us to get an opportunity to spend time like this together, but since my sister's back from Toronto, might as well make the most of it. And same goes to you guys. Hopefully you guys are enjoying your holidays. I know 2020 hasn't been the greatest for everybody, but make the most of your quarantine. And while you're with each other, family and friends, be present with one another. Get rid of your phones and actually talk with each other about feelings and about life ambitions. You know, maybe that's why I kind of avoid small talk and dinner table talk, because I'd rather talk about ideas. My mind's just somewhere else. Just want to send you guys all some good vibes and wishing you all a very Merry Christmas. Appreciate you for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.
See, when I was a kid, I was staring at PBS or playing tag at recess. Really no need
Don't
to
do
be
it.
stressed. Can get whatever I want with just a simple request. Play in the park with no rest and come up feeling refreshed.
Now you know where I keep all my pants. Probably one of the main reasons why you only ever see me wearing sweatpants.